sample size omo to abeye ye no oni nipa 99,355 and a twetwen komo oko 4,272 communities. Now the other about two journey or say asset and run now more than 72 jano. Now Dr. Mahmoud Baumia kuta 49.1%. Now John Dramani Mahama ekuta 45.8%. Now Cheddar, what's our man for say Cheddar Bichala 2.2%. Alan kuta 1.2 and a 1.7 ya chama yarega no mo aka nyina so. Na o say ne hwehwe no kire say Professor Sapon say MPP were 128 safe seats. Say no an to aba obenya 128 seats I no de bibia nsesa no ombenya. NDC ewo 92 safe seats. 92 safe seats. Now likely MPP seater obetumi anya candidate no ho aye 41. Likely seater NDC betumi anya candidate ho aye 15. Now say BBNC sa or projected almost 169 seats and a diama NDC MPP and 107 seats. Name or 6 seats now or the up to Jano 56 seats no and we're all for the taking. And the NDC betmania 41 no na MPP anya 15 no MPP betmania 41 na NDC anya 15 no e betma ba say 56 seats no kran so o betima chemienu emu betima che amobi anya 28 e betima ba say NDC betima 56 seats ra kan nyina e betima ba say MPP betima win ni nyina or 56 seats are there for grabs. The mu awa ye no openi di entina no pay ye kana semu yeras my sapon 2020 ono no di kaniba tu just say Ghana for yourself for the first time ye kotoa ba ebeye 137 nemom ebia independent we betimi ama party in power majority o kan bebia MPP be winning bebia MPP be huna mane seat bia na eye obi anim say eye safe seat wenchinom any other places are no office no Dr. Professor Sapon Director of Research and Innovation, Kumasi Technical University, Wadibe Tuja. Na amafo so ni mu ebo ejene so. Ene di owa kan ewom sa. Anase ente sa. Osi we ye evidence from science and data. Wo mu kwa pro ko hwe ye no. Asatenra na aba no de akogina nie. Edifo bi so kan mo de we ye science and data. Onya. Professor Sapon. I'm trying to reach you. I'm not getting through. Please. And I know Jubilee House for also the Omo by. Just a research, just say 46. But Omo by, and it's about a month ago. Jubilee House leaked research nearby, about a month ago. Now you say, Baumia ene Mahama Bob bracket. You two brika, the all you know. Yeah, be bracket. Global Info Analytics so say, my penny your mama 51, Baumia 40. People are questioning Baumia's 40 because Omufi say, Anya Shekran MPP were about 45% at Daho. It's never be more question. How true that is? My many Madi Jibro Jochenko. Madi, good morning. Hello, Madi, good morning. Madi Jibril, good morning. Okay. I don't know what's happening. said you Madi, good morning.
Morning,
Madi, we'll call you back. We'll call you back. Deputy Director Election NDC. Your modern Sabekano. Research the Bibeto polls ba anano papaya. What predict polls are predict to America. President Makuma Kube Edunum on Lusu that they be on the Betuma and Ukretrodo. And so Kamala Harris the Amfa. Kamala Harris the no or predict Amfa. And no, and the Bibusa say, Yerasma Sapon. Nidye sanity. Or say 49.1 no. A cap percentage, but almost up to Sumami. Why? Let me go to the lines and try and see if I can get Madi. Madi, good morning.
Morning, Minia.
Now, what to say?
I'm not doing you.
You know, Madi, I see. Madi, you got to about your posters. Already post ba. Nancy Nyaba Kubi asi Jubilee House a lead. Na it was led by Dr. Usumensa, our research officer of Jubilee House. Ebe told you say Abana Pai 46. Info analytic they buy 51% for John Mama, 40 for Baumia. And they Professor Smasapo, Director of Research and Innovation, and Ra. What the Abasa say to abandon Ra. Dr. Baumia 49.1, Mahama 45.8, Cheddar 2.2, Alan 1.2.
Sompa FM.
What the research we say? What does it tell you as Deputy Director Elections?
No, I'm never going to wait here with you for an obey. Schools, a integral part of elections.
Okay.
Near everyone, and they say it puts political parties to say, okay, how do I use these pools for? To up my game or to do what? Because whether with the pool or not the pool, we'll call elections. Okay?
Okay.
And this pools a guide at the mouth because elections now it's an assumption in our call. Because until there are two advance, no one will vote. So nobody is able to predict number making in the votes. So what I say. So you get polls now. Now you look at those who are doing the polls.
Okay.
Their credibility, their performance, and their stance. And the polls now also we shall say, why not you poll no? Even if you feel negative, crap on it guides you. It's offer smart sapon research you are pulling now what you buy. It's so clear that this has won the elections. Even if it use that one for analysis. Okay? It's so clear that this has won these elections. Because this is a party government in power struggling to cross the number 50%. This is a party in power with everything. With Nanado, all the tricks they are doing, sharing the money, putting pressure on people, putting money everywhere. November, they are struggling to cross 50%. And the party in opposition is doing 54, his number, 45%. It means that they have lost the elections. It totally shows that's what they have lost the elections. And this is somebody who has his belief in MPP. So, massage no. Some nobody can deny. Say he's not to NPP. So, he's tried. He spoke to more MP people than MPs and Ghanaians. Even with that, this is what he has gotten. Okay? Even with that. So, it's clear. Says MPP has lost this election. And again, Bansapon, reverse, push more. Now say, is the NDC performing? Around April, his so said, Mama is winning 1 time without problem.
That's right.
On why you? I can say about never winning 1 touch without problem. In fact, every pools yeah. After that one, I'm after the car say when he started campaigning, he even gained more, which means from his first pools, this time around, but could have even gone better than before.
That's right.
So, what is attractive about your government reverse in the game?
So for you, this showing even tells you, say, Abaya Oteja, so won't to mean jumping the Rubicon to 50 points. Now that's switch 49, the other just a haircut.
In fact, let me say this on record. I came to Ashanti for 2 weeks because research now, now they have lost the elections, so they asked Baumia to come to Ashanti for 2 weeks. 2 weeks now, Baumia, it was not part of his program. In Ashanti, they have lost in Ashanti. That number, that grips, they have lost it in Ashanti. That is why Baumia spent the 2 weeks. Let Sapon go back and then check. After 2 weeks, then I'm we should check. So it's good. In fact, he has even given me that assurance, confidence. In fact, okay, who say, but Nanado, who I'm research is in a lose elections, What did Nanado say?
Catch them, why are they?
Who says they say, project Nanado president is doing Nanado is doing it now. We take the glory. Nanado, you show some more winning elections. That's why they start with Nanado and yet. Like a try say, oh, me about no, they are sending you. Me say, Papa, we are so Mugana. No, yeah, just take to Ade Amano. But another thing, may lose elections. If you stay to Omidimo, my stay to Uncle, to come and Mungo stay to Mammy because I lose elections.
Okay, so and near my across to say, Omo projects are who do our Mobiano, Anano 80 educational projects. Flower pots and when in Yano, Nanado, you know if you are some sana of
na flower pot, like I now brought any payment MPP in the Nadua. How many years your mama started our project now? Nanado by stop who is our investigation also. Flower pot project is done. In fact, yes, now I'm going to say so. Now, yeah, under John Mahama. Join him, flower pot, be him. Say, not pillars, no, use no, not contractors, and I get you. Now, the buyer, and also say, I brought Ghana point here, and only elections, then Yano. Then stop was stop project away for almost more than 2 years. From that time, in 2 years, no, it took about 7 years now to complete the project. Abroad. In fact, go to the project. So, Ubakaya, before 2020 elections, they were rushing to finish that project. Ubakaya.
Sompa.
No 2020 election. They were trying to do something there. It was the same time. When Obeka down to force the Bayabon project by 24 maybe Obeka is a story. Okay, so Bayabon Club, no telling us a central one, then they came to a Bayabon Club reviewing the 4th December 2020 in the Bankrati.
All right, Jibril, Madam Siano Pay, our on Chima with the bread. Ya Kwaba.
I want to do so.
Santo, so mommy bill, the map. I want the map. Okay. Now, Dr. Smasapo, Yaw, Nesano Jumeni.
Okay.
2020. Okache Ghana for say, Mrashebe Jeffie, Abanobe Pai. Ochre figures are Nanado Benya 51 point something. They about John Mama Benya. Ebi mukwa ka said ebi. Your mama and Jimmy knew 47 no. Because 44 no. Omu hu de tia too early say oko fie obetimi aba. Oka sita na MPP fi say safe seats on be lusu. Oka say anhwe ya ebenya ebe pai na bia independent candidate formina e de be save. Ni nyina abam. And they enra was say to aba na. Ba o me abenya 49.1. Omampani mama magina 45. 2.2
Cheddar
1.2 Alan. Now Alan them say 1.2 ikura no. And I know there I'm here 1.2 ikura so bet you. Because I've spoken to people on the grounds and Ashanti region here. I can tell you, I will not mention where people are angry with Alan for attacking President Kufuor.
Papa no ye the God.
And I said, who call press conference?
Yes.
Now want to me say.
Oh, chama want to me asem nyina for once and ra. Onu no mumu ye campaign say whoever or the ateni ena ebeba Ghana fo animu no. Ghana fo ye nya kokudru ni reject any political party and say obi bia one kana samon kyerɛ yen na obey na adwene sɛ wo bedi atem bedi ni pe bi atem san krofo no omu ni bibi papa bi ade magana
Okay.
sɛ nipa no obibi ade magana onka sa de kro no nkyerɛ Ghana fo dan sɛ obedi ni yonko atem nti obo mampani dada John Dramani Muhammad din bo Ira Lankojo kyerɛ matin din ebobo bo nipa bibre a sa ateni we num no wo mu ejirejire mu ni ade ade a but akunta ni nyina no nanu media meka asem sa akunta Ghana elections no asesa ho asesa kra da asem we na meka na mire bi amanfo se me omone menya adwene the introduction of a certain young man called Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia esesa Ghana your politics campaign style no esesa Ghana yen sani yesi ye campaigns sani yesi eye politics ebonto esesa bibia because gentleman no was not ready to become an oya obedi obi atem one John was na dey tirim say obi bia ni din John nso so no ntimi ni president of Ghana because of John for ani enyo
Tamils
John Kufuor John Rawlings ni feel say one John ntimi ni president. But ye baya ba bedu a certain point ya sani ema na kunta enya dia ye hunu say eye adwuma e wo mayimu.
Prof, good morning.
Yeah, Omanhene, good morning.
Prof, so why we ya me de ababe abesrawo. Prof, me de ababe abesrawo.
But Fatima Zana, yes, I know me phone no edumi yeda. Me so my first charge defina, but me charge kakra. Fatima.
What Roma? Your research out there today. My friend Madi Jibril, I am deputy director elections. Or say the other today credit dance say NPP lose elections no, because a party in power. The last polls out by. Now we can say Bawumia bet me half and one touch. They say Bawumia to tia bechiri. Polls ya uye ya share sample size. I hear the population. Ya share bibia. Dear pa na call for more. Omrantia num ko di juma mo catch the wa. Enti ujina aswa with science and data ukawi.
Yo, asibi na chia abusiafo a etie yen na no pay e wo Sompa TV na radio. So obi ka say me your first obi a me ka say Bawumia edi nkunim one toucher. Dem say nipa ko no wa say on tie me na say on san ko hwehwe news items ni bio na say
okay
me release am here no san ko hwehwe bio. Me I don't do me post to do the EC's work. Me research am here bi en ho no mo a me left me dey ba be EC adwuma. Yes, in Kwan, the betting declare. One touch, and I say, runoff and now say BB. You me as a researcher and say me dikai. Me ma feedback. Una unam na wo campaign. Sabe. Yes, the interest who said the church because una wo kasa.
Okay.
And the feedback. That is the first importance of elections research. Say be a omu ya omu person who friend one touch another and another matter for another day. But the other day, I'm giving a very important feedback. So we were internal researchers ne parties ni na will be umama report for. That's a name the end in yeta. The awareness of the family and Nafa, so where the differences are. And you are still in the competition. The competition is not over. You send your Abaya, over blending what you have and what has come out. That the year you might turn in your favor. But it looks like the research bar Ghana had no idea. Either Nipano be happy or sad. No. Happy or sad, and yet it will not be part of my recommendation, please. Taking into consideration what I have said. That's all better now. So we say. And I have sat here, so eventually better that happen. I mean, let's take things differently. Because every year you will not get a better result or a different result.
Okay.
The elections are in the future. I mean, yes, research will be and after 4 weeks to election.
Okay.
Elections should be even one day has a lot to do.
That's right.
Instead of trying to say things to discredit them, there's a general and if you are just a wow research officer for then that one too you are going to have a big problem. So third party research my study is not a prophecy. No mama na to send me a prophet ne kasaya na say bi a say bi ne kasaya na bibi. This is scientific feedback.
Professor Smasapo 2020 you were the first to predict this balance we have in parliament. People doubted you. Ebi mu kan say mo be twaball kra me kai efida dem e twaball. Ekwa wi ase Ghana for be show mu. And they will say as at a month to elections no 128 seats is safe ma NPP. 92 is safe. Na aka 56 a wo kopre. Denti na okasa.
Well, Sana etie what the various constituencies in 56 na kano. Ebi comma NPP, ebi comma NDC. And that's a bit me akwa NPP, bit me akwa NDC. Only that from memory report I may work on the results of those 56 constituencies, too close to call. Whether the bit me akwa people, the bit me akwa NDC, too close to call. I said one more person who turn things in their favor and working extra hard. Me sure who carries the day. But as for 92, no dear. We had the constituencies that make up the 92, and the confirmed data, maybe validated data, maybe what. Every day pass will be turning those things to that's a green, we be turning into blue, and that's the blue, I will be turning into blue. Yes. I'm for a literature review, and I said that's review as an argue because I'm sanity Ghana in our recent republic. MPP were more safe seats than NDC. MPP has always have more safe seats. Who said one of the safe seats in the Yonkwa? I have the first idea cried Ashanti region and Eastern region. You two baby Abama Ashanti region and the MPP Emma close to 40 or below 40 crowd. You have 40 constituencies. And the Eastern region, you two Abama NPP Emma below 25 constituencies. The Eastern region for 33 constituencies. It would you move that 25 plus you move that Ashanti region 40 no. Because Ashanti 47. My family said NDC have 7 40 plus the 25 alone 65 from quiet. a safe lead.
Okay.
As the cost was Central Region 2020. Obi church they move the career say NDC and only Central Region. That person will be doing a mistake because Osha Asieno EAC Parliamentary necessary. Sa Asieno 23 constituencies in what Central Region. MPP in 19. And Esrono. A church aya MPP kunya 10 and if for NDC kunya 13. You when you say Abia wedding kunim wa ha. Wa bra wo hwe was presidential no or from a deal kunim with a big margin. It tells you say you only became a beneficiary of
a problem.
They are politicians, professional politicians. I'm sure they do it. When you see say Obiya safe at the Uko Bono, for example, Bono were 12 constituencies. Out of the 12 constituencies, you have to about NDC and justice, NPP and justice. But 6 not NDC Nyayen. Ukosho Ubasia. They move 5 NPP a big margin win was here. And now we was wrong. Are you going to sit and say this is a safe seat for me? Well, can't you see you became a beneficiary of a problem? The whole thing also because 2020 there were a lot of aggrieved members,
party people.
Actually, Papa, blast in research in America in
Sompa.
Because he said, 56 on America, and fortunately, you was sending me emails. I will pay 56 no. Emu ensemble.
Menkwana de memame.
Omutie na say omukoye ho adwuma. I'm saying those 56 will be able to me.
Okay.
But near Quid, my study, my report in my matra underline saying the next parliament, MPP and Yakana 148 seats, and I'm underlining. Yeah, so they should prove me wrong, that's all. They should try to prove me wrong. Yeah.
Prof, na Alan ne Cheddar.
Yeah.
Cheddar was so chair Alan. Why?
Oh, when the other researcher done by any United so I confirm me. Maybe the style Cheddar I used to know is different from the style Alan used to. And definitely when the styles are different, the results are not supposed to be the same. Until be another but for me, a young one mammy, for Abia Cheddar, I was so saying, Wolf Alan and Abibi. And as Alan Suko was through essay Cheddar so and Kenya mammy. What is fair representation for them? The fact that they are not making any significant impact in this election. Me sure say Obunya Obajune say Omufiti Prekupe Abedi Mampeni and Yanisane and Taisu say in the election year, then you change your mind and you form a party, and then 6 months you do up and down, and you become the president. You are not building it on any foundation. In the okay. Because that you see is FAPM so. Also, that is so the Cheddar, North Island, independent candidates in you need more bed, yeah. In fact, CPP, me namesake, me yaba, Kuma support crowd. Ebeka 3 months to, so 1 month to use a deadline. And one say CPP for acquire Congress, you yaba. Nipa 2030. Respectfully, I'm not saying this thing sarcastically. Respectfully, come and Kuma CPP into me into that 4 years of waiting. The talk about 2023. Yeah, Tim Hochi, but Tim wasn't be another chairman. We were 2 weeks, chairmans were 2 weeks. Why you say? Then 3 months to elections. Then how do you expect that person to perform? On what foundation is he going to build the dreams and aspirations of
Prof, quickly, with this research, if it's anything to go by, the NDC as a party believes John Mahama is winning its elections. NPP thinks Bawumia is winning. But the only other two way they dance here say the next parliament, barring any hitch, MPP will be in the majority. Are we going to see something unique that has never happened? Say we are going to have say Omanhene Mama Winia. Next, say MPP is going to have a majority in parliament, which you are telling us is cocksure.
Oh, in fact, Obia Ekana Kumantu Yemi Adnako say Obia Nya address Obako Tuaba in favor of your party. Wow, Kotuaba Ama party say what to a party. And in the game of numbers, it's either you gain or you lose. You need neutral point or
Sompa FM.
Where be our person Umanfo on our party Edin Kunim and I been Pawuni party there, but when we policies no maybe our person could Edin Kunim no the Bayer Juma de Mauno. Niabetimia Yanisoba Kotuaba.
Okay.
Oh yeah, Okona Kotuaba you have made your party gain. One Kotua and yet in Nina baby now. Some research predictions say President Mahama Benya 45.8. Now one Kotono. You don't come back and say, oh, yeah, I'm going to cry. Yes, you Benya say, and now Dr. Mahmoud Benya 49.1. Look at 1 because Obera made the turnout at
81.4.
My estimated national turnout. No. In fact, I did it for 3 different scenarios. Where your main estimated turnout. When I change it to scenario 2, no. Scenario 2, no, yes, I'm a say 1 more better about in 2020. And then scenario 3, if I change the turnout into something big, some of my estimate 81.4.
That's right.
And last year, 2020, the year 79.2 or so. Then my question is, yeah, they call 85, 86 turnout. I mean, about the scenarios. I'm just trying to see whether the turnout has an effect on the results. Okay. And truly, turnout would have an effect on the results. That's true. In the Adawoma, Ubia or person or GM free, the stress of a round of mo.
Uncle Tuaba. That's all.
This is not to give anybody joy or sorrow. That make an election day one day cry no stop anything in your favor, but in your favor.
Sompa Professor Smart Sapon. The days ahead, me said that be opana ye doso muye. Me da CP. He's a director of research and innovations, KSTU, Kumasi Technical University. Yaw, Yakoba, I have the full text. Na Yakum.
Okay.
You share scenario 1 or kind region by region. Near money, so will be as I tell boy.
Oba
Mate. Ricardo.
Dr. Spansapo and some more can yani a best regana for. Akuta Brunya Nidi Yebedi.
Yes, no more to a banana. Na ye need young baby in Tranquil. See a punchy be pa mouse for 2 baby. Good dear Brunya. I feel a punchy can run be a good. I'll say Christmas be a chap punching. Mommy, of course, can